अगर आपने अभी तक मायरा खानम के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कर लीजिए ताकि मायरा खानम की आने वाली हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए. Today, the story that I am going to read is called Hiccup, which is written by Gillian Powell and is illustrated by Mark Chambers. After tea, Todd got hiccups. Try holding your arms up in the air, said Dad. But it didn't work, said Todd. Try holding your nose and counting to 10, said Mum. That didn't work, said Todd. Stand on your hands, said Tilly. That won't work, said Todd. Now drink this water, said Mum. Said Todd. Sugar will do it, said Dad. Sugar, said Mum. That won't work, said Todd. I know what to do, said Tilly. She went to get a sheet from the cupboard. Boo! Shouted Tilly. That didn't scare me, said Todd. Pop! The hiccup stopped. No more hiccups, said Todd. Good dog, Bernie. But Tilly did scare Bernie. He began to bark.
Red.